In this video, I'm going to walk you through high-level listings, what it is, and how you can resell it as an agency owner to your sub-locations. High-level listings allows businesses to manage their local SEO by publishing consistent business data across multiple platforms. These include Google, Yelp, and Bing. Keeping your business information consistent across different directories is crucial for SEO and establishing customer trust. Once you need to make one change to your business information, you can just push a button and it updates across all directories simultaneously. And if you're an agency, you can add in markup and resell it via the Stripe SaaS configurator. You can customize this by location or offer different packages. For example, you can include Review AI as a service to help businesses to collect reviews on autopilot and add listings into the mix. Once you've activated your listings subscription, you will also get suggestions from publishers that you can review and decline or accept. That will also help you to rank on Google and other search engines. Now let me show you how you can set this up. So you want to make sure that you're logged into your agency account, then click on reselling on the left, scroll down, and right here you can see listings. Okay, so here you can see the resale amount. You can use the slider to increase the resale amount or to minimize it. Down below here, you can see the numbers change as you use the slider, how much the listing plan price is, what the customer is paying, and what your profit would be. HighLevel offers 3 different plans. The monthly plan, which is monthly payments, the Smarter Saver plan, which is 6 months, so the customer pays every 6 months, and so do you. And then the Annual Advantage plan, which is a yearly payment. For the Smarter Saver plan and the annual plan, you will be able to save 17%. Down here, you can change the engine. So if you click on that, you see overall and Yext in comparison. Read through those data points and choose the one which works best for you. Click Apply Engine Selection and then confirm and apply engine. Please note this only goes for future locations. This doesn't apply automatically to the ones you've already set prior. Now, being logged in as a user, as a sub-location, you can click on Reputation on the left, Listings at the top, and right here you would see the call to action to activate this listing. If the user clicks Activate Listing, they will also see those 3 different plans they can select from and then hit Confirm. Once activated, the client will also be able to access a dashboard where they can track all their data. Once a client cancels, listings will stop showing across publishers and will be shown as cancelled. Now, if you want to rank higher in different search engines, I would highly recommend you check out this feature and start promoting it to your clients as well. And if you haven't signed up for HighLevel just yet, or you're looking to upgrade, be sure to do so via our affiliate link because it comes with amazing bonuses. Check out our bonuses via the link below. It comes with a Review AI snapshot, which comes in really handy to package it up with this particular feature and many other more snapshots and courses you can use in order to succeed faster online. I will see you on the other side.